ASUS ROG Strix G18 review. Is this the ultimate gaming laptop of 2025? Ever stared at your old laptop, struggling with laggy games, slow renders, or endless load screens? It's frustrating, like being trapped in slow motion while everyone else speeds ahead. Hours vanish, focus shatters, and your creativity feels blocked. The tools you rely on simply aren't keeping up, leaving you overwhelmed, stuck, and wondering why your setup holds you back from peak performance. Deadlines loom larger, stress spikes, and burnout creeps in when frames drop mid-game, render times stretch forever, or your system overheats under pressure. Every delay feels like a missed opportunity, missed victories, missed streams, and stalled projects. The frustration compounds, and you start asking, how much longer will I settle for hardware that slows me down instead of powering me forward? Enter the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop 2025, the powerhouse that transforms frustration into unstoppable performance. With the NVIDIA RTX 5080, 16GB GDDR7 GPU, every game, render, and AI-driven task runs buttery smooth, with ray tracing and DLSS 4 delivering visuals that stun. The Intel Ultra 9 275HX 24-core CPU hits up to 5.4 GHz, annihilating bottlenecks and multitasking like a dream. The 18-inch 2.5K 240Hz Nebula display immerses you in vibrant color, Pantone-validated, and anti-glare for pro-level clarity. Premium Dolby Atmos audio and quad speakers make every sound crisp, while AI noise cancellation keeps calls and streams crystal clear. ROG Intelligent Cooling ensures peak performance without throttling. One gamer shared, during a 4K stream session, this laptop kept cool and lag-free, saving the stream from disaster. Add Aura Sync RGB customization, 64GB DDR5 RAM, 8TB SSD, and Windows 11 Pro. This isn't just a laptop. It's a complete, desktop-level command center in a portable chassis. The benefits are undeniable: lightning-fast gaming, seamless multitasking, and a visual feast for content creators. Analysts predict the RTX 5080 Plus Ultra 9 combo will dominate next-gen gaming, with GDDR7 memory erasing bottlenecks. Influencers praise its thermals, saying the Strix G18 stays cool even under marathon sessions. Users report effortless max settings gameplay, perfect for 4K editing or rendering 3D models. The 18-inch high-refresh 240Hz panel is ideal for competitive gamers seeking pixel-perfect timing. Dolby Atmos and high-res audio deliver cinema-quality sound, while AI noise cancellation ensures crystal-clear communication. With Wi-Fi 7 and multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports, streaming, file transfers, and peripheral connections are instant. Real users rave. It's like a desktop replacement in laptop form. Everything runs flawlessly, from gaming to work. Every feature, from MUX switch and advanced Optimus to customizable RGB lighting, combines to maximize performance, style, and workflow efficiency. Could a single laptop really replace a high-end gaming rig and workstation? Once you try it, compromises vanish. Every frame, every render, every session feels smoother, faster, and more immersive than ever before. Don't wait, limited stock won't last. Secure your ASUS ROG Strix G18 today and join thousands who've already leveled up their gaming and creative workflows. Why settle for lag, overheating, or slow renders when this beast delivers desktop-level performance in a sleek, portable form factor? Act now. Unleash ultra-fast gaming, pro-grade visuals, and seamless multitasking. Elevate every session, dominate every game, and future-proof your setup. Click the link, grab yours, and experience what true next-gen power feels like.